In the world of service-based businesses, accurate financial tracking is paramount. Whether you're a freelancer, a consultant, or a project-based firm, understanding what costs you incur and how to pass them on to your clients is fundamental to profitability. This is where accounting software like Zoho Books comes into play, and a key concept within it is billable. As an accounting software expert with a deep understanding of business operations, I can tell you that the billable feature in Zoho Books is designed to streamline the process of recovering costs that you've incurred on behalf of a specific client or project. It's about ensuring that expenses you pay out of pocket, but which are directly attributable to a client's work, are properly recorded and ultimately reimbursed by that client. What does billable actually mean? At its simplest, when you mark an expense as billable in Zoho Books, you're telling the software two important things. This expense is tied to a specific customer or project. You didn't just incur this cost for your general business operations. It was directly related to work you're doing for a particular client. You intend to charge this expense back to that customer. You expect to be reimbursed for this cost as part of their invoice. Think of it this way. Imagine you're a graphic designer working on a brochure for a client. You might have to purchase stock photos, special fonts, or even pay for a specific print proof. These aren't your standard operating costs like office rent or your internet bill. They are direct costs of that specific brochure project. By marking these as billable in Zoho Books, you ensure they don't just sit as an expense for your business, but are instead queued up to be included on the client's invoice. The life cycle of a billable expense in Zoho Books. The beauty of the billable feature lies in its integration with the invoicing process. Here's a typical flow. Recording the expense. When you incur an expense, e.g., you buy those stock photos, you record it in Zoho Books under the Expenses module. During this recording process, you'll have an option to select the customer name or project to which this expense relates. Tick a checkbox or similar option to mark it as billable. You can also specify a markup percentage if you charge a fee for managing these expenses, e.g., you want to add 10% to the cost of the stock photos for your administrative time. The unbilled status. Once you save a billable expense, it doesn't immediately appear on an invoice. Instead, it enters an unbilled status. Zoho Books keeps a running tally of all unbilled expenses for each customer or project. This is crucial for project managers, as it gives you a clear view of recoverable costs that haven't yet been charged. Invoicing the client. When it's time to send an invoice to that customer, perhaps at the end of the project or on a scheduled billing cycle, Zoho Books will intelligently prompt you. As you create a new invoice for that specific customer, you'll see a notification or a section that lists all the unbilled expenses associated with them. You can then select which of these expenses to include on the current invoice. This flexibility is important, as you might not want to bill every single expense immediately, or you might group them for different invoices. Once selected, these billable expenses appear as line items on the invoice, showing the original cost and any markup you applied. Reimbursement and accounting. When the client pays the invoice, the payment covers both your services and these reimbursed expenses. In your accounting reports, like your profit and loss statement, the original expense remains as a cost, but the reimbursement effectively offsets it, ensuring your net profit accurately reflects your service fees without being dragged down by client-specific outlays. Why is this important for your business? The billable feature in Zoho Books is more than just a checkbox. It's a critical tool for financial accuracy and business health. Accurate project profitability. Without tracking billable expenses separately, these costs would simply sit as an overhead for your business, artificially reducing your perceived profit on a project. By billing them back, you get a true picture of how profitable each project is. Ensuring reimbursement. It creates a clear system to ensure you don't forget to charge clients for costs you've incurred on their behalf. In the rush of daily operations, it's easy for small expenses to get overlooked if not systematically tracked. Transparency with clients. The ability to itemize these expenses directly on the invoice provides clear transparency to your clients. They can see exactly what they're paying for beyond your core services, fostering trust and reducing potential disputes. Streamlined invoicing. It significantly speeds up the invoicing process. Instead of manually tallying up receipts and typing them onto an invoice, Zoho Books does the heavy lifting, pulling in all relevant unbilled items with a few clicks. Better cash flow management. Promptly invoicing and getting reimbursed for expenses helps maintain healthy cash flow. You're not waiting for long periods to recover money you've already spent. Simplified reporting. Zoho Books can generate reports that differentiate between your standard operating expenses and billable expenses, providing clearer insights into your financial performance.